Welcome to day 4 of the 5-day challenge. I am so proud that you have gotten this far. Let's take a minute and look at everything that you've accomplished thus far. Day 1, you chose an AI assistant and you used it to create your digital product with it knowing your knowledge, with knowing your expertise, with knowing all about your business. Day 2, you uploaded that product into Canva and you designed something that you can truly be proud of. On day 3, you created a storefront and uploaded the digital product so that people can actually purchase it. That is huge, such a huge accomplishment. I can confidently tell you, in the 6 digital products that I have, I spent over $3,500 on those courses, and none of them have broken it down the way that I've walked you through it step by step. Today's lesson, you can have the most amazing digital product out there, the prettiest storefront out there, the best graphics, but if no one knows that your storefront exists, no one can buy from it. A storefront without videos or without posts is like somebody opening up a beautiful banquet in the middle of a desert. It doesn't matter how great your products are, you need to have people walking through the door, online that is. That means getting eyeballs on your storefront. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 very simple ways to get started getting eyeballs on your storefront. Strategy number 1, create content. Your offer. This is where most people make a mistake. They create one post that says, I have a digital product, and then they wonder why nobody buys it. People don't buy because you posted once. People buy because they understand your product, how it helps them, and it solves a problem that they have. So instead of creating a sales post, create content that answers the question. Teach, educate, solve problems, share tips, show behind the scenes. Talk about why you created the product. Talk about what is important about the transformation that they're going to get from obtaining your product. Everything that you should do should point people back to your storefront. Strategy number 2. If you watch any of my TikTok lives already, that's probably where you met me, you're going to know that going live is one of the fastest way to get people to know, like, and trust you. They hear your voice. They know your story. They know you're a real person. They say, holy moly, please tell me everything that you have to sell and everything that you do, because I know that you are giving the real advice and it naturally feels comfortable. So I want you to remember, people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So if you are looking to do this, a live can help you do it so much faster. Strategy number 3. Now, this isn't something that you have to do today, but eventually you may decide that you like to run an ad. An advertisement allows you to put your digital product in front of people who have never heard of you before. Whether you choose Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform for advertising, it can help you reach a new audience. Here's the important point that you need to remember though. You don't run ads until you know your offer converts organically. Learn to market your product first, then and only then consider adding paid advertisement to scale what already works. One more thing, that there is a strategy that has always helped me, and that's consistency. You do not need one video to go viral. You need consistent content, consistent lives, consistent teaching, consistently showing up. People need to see you more than once before they decide to buy. So don't get discouraged if you don't make a sale today. Keep showing up, keep teaching, keep serving your people. That's how trust is built. As your homework today, I would like you to create one social media post about your digital product. Then copy and paste it into the Digital Income Simplified community so that we can see what kind of video that you are making, what kind of way you're not advertising, but the kind of way that you're teaching people. So then I would also like you to go live for 15 minutes and just teach somebody something about your product. Answer questions about your product. Invite people to your storefront. Congratulations on completing day 4. And I am so excited to see you on day